Now when it comes onto your skin, it is very important for you to exfoliate your skin, meaning scrub your skin. Okay, now that sounds a little harsh, but you're actually clearing the skin of dead skin cells, blemishes, blackheads, whiteheads, just cleaning out those pores so that you can have your skin looking fresher, brighter, radiant, and glowing. I like exfoliating my skin, and I like to use natural ingredient to exfoliate my skin, such as these ingredients right there, because they contain vital nutrients that is gonna get the job done and also will have my skin looking amazing. Today I'm gonna share a DIY facial scrub with you. Now this facial scrub I personally like. It's like my go-to facial scrub because it gets the job done. What I'm gonna be using in the facial scrub is some banana, and you are wondering why is she using banana in a facial scrub. Banana have skin lightening properties. It also have moisturizing properties that will help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes while hydrating the skin, and it also help to lock that moisture in the skin. Just an amazing fruit to use on the skin. I'm also going to be using some lemon in this recipe. Why I'm using the lemon is also for the skin lightening properties plus the natural vitamin C. Lemon is going to help to refresh your skin. It's also great for anti-aging purposes. For those of you who are getting on in age and you notice that your skin started to have those little small warts and blemishes, this combination is going to help to clear those from your skin. So perfect for your daily facial scrub. Now these two ingredients, I am going to be mixing it with some other ingredient to create this amazing DIY facial scrub. So don't go away. Let's go make the facial scrub, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use the scrub on your face for best result. Let's walk to the kitchen. Now since we have to blend the banana, I'm going to start out by preparing the banana. Now simple, easy to peel the banana. Just cut off both ends of the banana like I'm showing here. We're discarding that. And we're only using about a half of this medium banana. So I'm just going to cut the banana in two halves. Put a half to the side. Probably I'm going to eat that. And then I'm going to peel. Now I like to just cut my banana, slice it right down like there. And look at that. You could peel the banana pretty easy. Here we have the banana flesh. So what I'm going to be doing, I like to use almost everything on the banana, because if you take this banana peel and you just rub it on your skin, it will help to lighten the skin. So I don't want to miss out, so I'm going to be scraping the inner peel to add to this. Now if you put banana peel close to your under eyes and rub this peel on it, it will help to get rid of the puffy under eyes. Definitely beef puff the under eyes. Also, if you have scars on your face and you rub the peel on your face, it will help to clear the scars. It also is great for anti-aging purposes. It will help to diminish fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. So definitely do not throw out your banana peel. Use it up in your homemade facial. So now that the banana peel is ready, we're moving on to the banana flesh. And I'm just chopping these in small pieces for easier blending. Now this area of the banana will help to moisturize your skin. It will help to hydrate the skin, and best of all, if you're in your late 30s upwards, it have anti-aging benefits. So perfect to use on your skin overall. So what I'm going to do with this chopped banana, I'm going to reach for a blender, and I have a small blender, guys. You need a blender or a fork to crush this banana if you don't have a blender. Now when you prepare your banana and you notice it gets very dark easy, that is because of the iron in the banana. So don't throw it out, it is still good. And take a look, this is your creamy banana puree. Let's put this aside and work on the lemon. I use a lot of lemon zest on my skin, so I like to wash my lemon thoroughly. So I just pour about a tablespoon of vinegar on the lemon, and I just pour some water, put the lemon to soak for about an hour or so, and then I rinse it off, and there I get my lemon all clean. And I do this whether or not it is organic. Okay, now take a look at this little gadget that I have here. This is actually a grater, and I'm going to grate some lemon zest Lemon zest has vitamin C even more than the lemon juice, but it also have a really nice fragrance that when you use it in your DIY, it just gives you a very pleasant smelling facial scrub. What I'm also using it for is vitamin C properties in this facial. So now that we have our lemon zest ready, let's put this aside. We're also going to be using some lemon juice. So let's cut this in 2 halves. Fresh lemon. I'm going to squeeze some of the lemon juice right over the lemon zest. This is about a teaspoon or so of lemon zest. And let's see if we could get a tablespoon of the lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Squeeze this in. Now if you have very sensitive skin, do half the amount of lemon juice, half water of lemon juice. So let's pour this 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with the lemon zest. Discard the seeds. And what we're going to do next, we're going to pour this back in the blender with the banana, and we're going to give it a little blend a second time. If you have already subscribed to the channel and you feel like you want to be more active on this channel, to be more a part of the channel, then you can become a member. Look below, there's a join button. Click on it and choose your tier. Now I'm going to be using oil in this recipe, and the reason for using oil is that when you exfoliate your skin, when you scrub your skin and you're clearing it from the dead skin cells, it could become dry. So when you add a moisturizing ingredient to your facial scrub, it's going to have to lock that moisture in, and instead of dry skin when you're finished exfoliating, you will have a more soft, supple skin. Now you can choose to use oil of choice. I like to use avocado oil, but go ahead, you can use some olive oil. You can even use some grapeseed oil, especially for those with oily skin, or you can use some coconut oil. Now we really don't need a lot of oil, so I'm using 1 teaspoon of the avocado oil. Whichever oil you're using, just use 1 teaspoon, and we're pouring this in. So now when you're making this recipe, follow just as I did. Other than that, you might get a different consistency to your facial scrub. Alright, so now we have our banana, lemon zest, and avocado oil. We're moving on. Now when you're making your facial scrub, there are several bases that you can choose from. One of my favorite is brown sugar. For those of you with rough looking skin, blackheads, whiteheads, and you're looking for something quick, something easy, and something simple that is going to get the job done, here it is right here. Brown sugar. Brown sugar is softer than white sugar. However, if you do not have brown sugar, go ahead and use the white sugar. Now when you're making this facial scrub, I suggest that you blend this portion, you keep it in your refrigerator, and when you're ready to use, just as you're going to use, that is when you add the brown sugar. Okay, so I'm going to be using about a 1/4 cup of the brown sugar. If you're using white sugar, use the same amount. I'm going to just scoop my mixture in, my banana mixture in, and now we're just going to blend this in our sugar, and this is it right here. And now we are going to reach for our container. We're going to load our bowl up and take a look at your scrub. Here we have our banana facial scrub. Now let's go back on the other side and get on with the exfoliating. Now if you want to reap the best benefits from your homemade facial scrub, what I suggest you do, you steam your face before you use the scrub. You do not have to steam your face every time you use the scrub, but try to steam your face at least once per week for about 10 minutes. So here's the exfoliator. And I'm gonna pour some on my lemon. Now you do not have to use the lemon to exfoliate your face. You can choose to use your hand. It's gonna do a really good job. I just like using the lemon when I made this facial scrub. So I'm gonna start exfoliating my skin in circular motion. You don't want to press too hard, but you want to press hard enough to get the exfoliating action. Now once this is done, you're just going to rinse this off with some cold water. Now you might be wondering, I just steamed my face. Why am I rinsing with cold water? Now you're rinsing with cold water because you're closing up back those pores. The cold water is going to have to just lock those pores, and what is going to happen, your skin is just going to look refreshing, younger, and beautiful, just with a natural glow. Steam your face at least once per week and use your facial scrub at least 2 to 3 times per week for best results.